Let's read this word of God. Isaiah chapter 40 verse 31. We read like this. But those who wait for the Lord shall renew their strength. Those who wait for the Lord will get their strength. That is not what God says. Renew their strength. It means they had strength but lost strength, but now renew strength. So, but those who wait for the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. What does it mean? Those who wait for the Lord. What does it wait for the Lord? Don't be impatient. Some people very impatient. They pray for 1 or 2 days and they say nothing happened, I stop the prayer. They pray for 2-3 days and they say, oh, I did this, went for the retreat, I attended live streaming 1 day, nothing happened, therefore I stopped it. Bible says those who wait for the Lord, continuous trusting in the Lord, continuous prayer, continuously holding on to God, that is called waiting for the Lord. Those who wait for the Lord shall renew their strength. What does it mean? Those who are in prayer doesn't fall down. Bible doesn't say. You may lose your strength, you may get disappointed, you may have problems, but the blessing is those who wait for the Lord, they will always renew their strength. They will not lie down. They will not get disappointed forever. They will not get frustrated forever. They will not fall down forever, but they will renew their strength. That is the power of the prayer. That is the power when you wait for the Lord. And they shall mount up with wings like eagles. They won't be just swimming on the floor, but they shall mount up with wings like eagles, and they shall run and not be weary. They will never get tired. They will run. They shall walk and not faint. So these are the words the Lord wants to give us by strengthening us. Therefore, do not be tired of prayer. Do not get disappointed or frustrated in your prayer. Do not complain to God and say, God, I prayed so many days, so many months that nothing happened. Don't ever say that. Be faithful. Whether something happens or nothing happens, just be faithful to God. Just wait for the Lord. He will do and He will act in the right time. In due time, He will lift you up.